Why TP-Link TL-WPA8631P KIT ends Wi-Fi dead zones and boosts gigabit powerline speed. Sometimes you feel like your router is screaming, "Go ahead, try me," but your apps are buffering, devices drop off, and you're stuck scrambling cables. Drop a comment if this sounds familiar. The TP-Link TL-WPA8631P KIT offers a smarter way to extend connectivity. No guesswork, no complex setups, just reliable wired and wireless reach even through the thickest walls. Streaming, gaming, working from home, they all stall when your network chokes. What if you could take control of your home network without adding more gadgets and complexity? With this Powerline Plus Wi-Fi extender kit, you get plug-and-play simplicity that covers hard-to-reach rooms and wired devices alike. If you're struggling with dead zones, this may change your game. Introducing the TP-Link TL-WPA8631P KIT, a hybrid network solution that uses your home's electrical wiring as a backbone and adds a full dual-band Wi-Fi extender for flexible coverage. The kit includes a Powerline adapter delivering AV1300 speeds, theoretical up to 1,300 megabits per second, and an AC1200 Wi-Fi extender offering 867 megabits per second on 5 GHz, plus 300 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz, perfect for smart TVs, laptops, game consoles, IP cameras, and more. It also features 3 Gigabit Ethernet ports on the extender unit, letting you plug in wired devices like desktops and media hubs. Plug-through pass-through design ensures you don't lose the power outlet. Setup is unbelievably simple. Just plug one unit near your router, connect via Ethernet, plug the other where you need coverage, hit the pair button, and you're done. One homeowner shared how their basement home office got full signal and 0 dropouts after 5 minutes of setup. Bonus tip: use the Wi-Fi Clone button to sync your SSID and password across the extender for seamless roaming. Comment yes if you want that secret trick. The benefits of the TP-Link TL-WPA8631P KIT extend far beyond just boosting signal strength. In real-world reviews, the unit is praised for plug-and-play ease and remarkable stability across floors and thick walls. One protester said, "I couldn't believe how fast it changed my workflow," and users frequently point to the 3 Gigabit ports as a major upgrade for streaming and gaming setups. Analysts note that the combination of Powerline AV1300 with dual-band Wi-Fi gives you the best of both worlds: wired reliability plus flexible wireless reach. Want to stream in 4K on your smart TV, game online, and surf on your phone all at once? This kit stands up. Which feature would save your day most? Wired gigabit ports, dual-band Wi-Fi reach, or plug-and-play simplicity? Comment below. And yes, setup truly is this easy. No new network names, no drilling or long cables. The TL-WPA8631P KIT makes your entire network feel seamless, powerful, and under control. Act now. Join thousands of homeowners who've upgraded to the TP-Link TL-WPA8631P KIT and turn weak signals into full home coverage. With gigabit wired ports, AC1200 Wi-Fi, pass-through power design, and plug-and-play simplicity, you won't just feel the difference. You'll see it in every stream, call, and download. Click now and unlock an exclusive tip: how to place the units for optimal wiring phase performance. Don't just watch. Jump in and transform your home network today.